Okay. Today, I ran into a major problem, and all I have to say is for all those producers out there that make great work, this made me have a panic attack for a second. When you've been working on a beat or something for months, whatever project it is, and you really spend some time, and what happened to me today? When I started up my project, I played it, and it was not any of the input sounds. It was ridiculous. I mean, it sounded horrible, and I had spent so much time on this work. I mean, I've had this beat for months, and I haven't put it out. So, you know, I really didn't want anything to happen to it. So, uh, what I found out I can do, I just was never taught this. So, for all of y'all people don't know, right here, this is where you go when you go into panic mode. Your computer actually will save you some data. All back here. You can go to these backups. So, that's what I did. From there, you can find whatever you need and play your song. And your life will be saved again. And this is Jyrasta, and we're working with Logic Pro X. For all y'all out there with panic attacks, this is what you do.